Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys.
Today we have another successful story to protect your car. So let's go to the unboxing. So guys, here we have the Garmin Dashcam 57. If you like GoPros, no comparison.
Let's see. Okay, boxing is quite hard. Sorry. Open it that side so you can actually see. Look at it, is it cute?
Okay, you can show.
Oh, well, I'm trying not to knock it down.
What do you mean knock it down?
Oh, yeah. I'm just trying to be careful because my hands are a little bit cold, so I would not like it to fall.
So let's see what else inside the box.
Ooh, lots of wires. Let's start with this.
This is your 12-volt socket plug for your car, which you can use. Does it have two sockets,
Yes,
Zoe?
it does.
Yes, you can say that it includes two sockets.
Yeah.
So you don't lose your second USB.
Oh, yeah, so you can power or use other devices, yeah.
So you can charge your phone and you can have the device running. I know for a fact that the products, navigation products, are very good.
So here we have
A very handy and very nice USB.
its cable, yeah. Let's see how
How long it is?
how long it is. I would say it's like 1.5 meters, maybe.
1.5 meter.
Yeah.
What else we have inside the box?
What else we have in the box? We've got its little sticky thing.
So this device, I don't know if you want to say that. You just stick that with a 3M tape, which is included on the back to your dash, and you have on the camera a magnet that holds the camera in place.
Just like this. Oops. Oh, wow.
So that's the reason I was talking about the cable management. Garmin thought about someone wants to have the wires hidden, so they sent it might be.
This is way too long for me to actually open it. I think I will go to the next room until I actually.
So you have a very long cable.
Yeah, it is.
Very long cable to do a cable management.
Yeah.
To your car to hide every single spot of the cables.
Yeah, the wires.
So I believe you have a manual inside there.
Yeah, we do. Let's see.
That's all right with the manual.
And we have. Oh.
So you have instructions how to
install it. Easy.
how you to do it DIY to your car.
Yeah.
And protect it. And of course it talks about some instructions how to update and download the videos.
Yeah, you can download
this device doesn't have its internal storage, but it has the ability to record on the SD card and you can watch the videos on the app. So we're gonna go for that. But before we go, Let's try to power the device on just to see if it goes well. And it has one around the lens.
It has one around the lens. Ooh, that's hard. No, it's not.
So, as you see, a very precise. It shows what is the function of the buttons you see here. So we're gonna try. It might not start up. We're gonna try to power it on and see what it's gonna show. Let's see. Yes, and it's on the setup menu. So let's talk about. You can admire the beautiful. You can admire the beautiful camera as we talk about it. Let's talk about this device. This device has a GPS tracking system, which you can track how fast you were going in case of an incident. It has the Wi-Fi function, so you can watch your videos. And it has a Bluetooth function, so you can transfer your files through the device. It has some features we will see on the next part of the video, that you can talk to the device and it's gonna do action about what you're talking. And it has a wide lens. It writes at 1440 resolution, so it's almost quad HD. So let's go with you to the car and see the installation of this device.
Yes, let's go.
All right, guys, so let's install the Garmin Dashcam.
Yes.
That's a good magnet, that. I can remove the magnet from the... That means it doesn't go anywhere.
Well, that's a good thing after you install it.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna leave the magnet in place because it's very hard for me to remove it. Let me unroll a little the cables because it's tangled. And I'm gonna put it here. They say to clean the windscreen and then put it on, but I'm gonna do it like that. We have already set the camera to the program to make it easier, and I'm gonna bother you if I see something interesting. We already know that it has a speed cam checker, so it notifies you if you have an incident with a speed camera, and they say that it has lane change notify if you try to change lanes and it's out of your lead. Okay. So guys, yes, we're testing the device. Always aware, don't use your phone while you're driving because it's illegal. So I do the video for this purpose. I would like to see if the camera notify us about the speed camera, so we will see that in a moment. So there you have it. It notifies you that you have a speed camera of 30 miles. it shows you how fast you go.
At the minute I'm not going with 30 because, as you can see, there's road wax.
Yeah.
Copyright, sorry.
Yeah. So this is a very useful function. And there it is. We received another notification from the Garmin that the traffic is moving. So when you are stopped on the traffic light, it notifies you that the cars in front of you are moving. So we are safely stopped at a parking lot, and we're just gonna see the reaction of the camera when we just turn off the engine. Shutting down, and that it is. When you are parked, you have the option to enable the parking monitoring, in which it has a G sensor. If someone fall to your car and damage your car, it's gonna record the video for evidence. We have the speed camera alert, and we have the traffic movement alert that says to you if you are stopped on a roundabout or on the traffic lights that the cars in front of you are moving. We know for a fact that it has another function that it is change lane, but unlikely we don't have a highway in front of us. So it basically,
but I can't swap lanes because it's
So basically, what it does is, if there's a car on the right or on the left in front of you, and you try to go and squeeze to that lane, it's gonna say to you that there is a car where you try to turn. And
so you don't accidentally.
Yes. So there you have it. This is a Garmin 57, an amazing product from Garmin. Hope you like the videos, because we do buy products that you would like to buy yourself. Thank you for subscribing and like on the videos we do. And we have more upcoming products like this one, and more dehumidifiers. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening, and see you later.
Like and subscribe.